Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm sorry for my voice. I am sick again. 2025. Today I have an oil pastel painting of this train zooming through with a little bit of steam. That's what that was supposed to be. So I wasn't entirely glad with the exact things that came out with this painting, but overall it was fun to paint and it was a learning experience. So here I am on my Strathmore Tone Tan paper. I have some washi tape that is sort of for my clean edges at the end, and I'm just sort of sketching out with a graphite pencil the general angle and my train shape. And then I'm just going in building up colors, and I'll do that for the rest of the video. I won't be able to talk for this whole video because of my voice. I won't do that to you guys, but I do just ask if you could check out the links and like, share, and subscribe. That would be such a big help. I just did my taxes for 2024. Oh man. So yeah, anything you can do, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. It's the art life, you know, you kind of have to, is what it is. So going in, I'm doing this with my finger, but you could use a blending stump. I didn't use colored pencils or an underpainting on this one. I just went right in for it this time, but you could definitely do a base layer. And I was trying out these Art Echo oil pastels, and I like them. And you know, every pastel brand seems to have, you know, some are harder than others, some are super creamy. So sometimes it's nice to have a few brands to mix and match, because if you use all super creamy, then they don't layer very well. And so if you use a little bit harder ones on the bottom, then you can layer on top and so forth. And you can skip the underpainting part. But anyways, so just going through here again, this was supposed to be a train I made an AI reference for myself, which is fun, and of what I liked, and then that helps me, you know, as I draw. So messed up the train a little bit here, but we'll fix it later, or at least mostly fix it. Again, it was fun to paint. Thanks guys, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to put some music on. Thank you for joining me. I hope you grab out your art supplies.